everyone, and welcome to Saipan. Saipan is the largest of the Northern Mariana Islands. It is a U.S. Commonwealth in the Western Pacific. This is the CNMI airport, the main airport in Saipan. It means Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands. We'll be visiting the American Memorial Park and Museum, the Japanese memorials Bonzai and Suicide Cliff, and sites from the 1944 Battle of Saipan. Plus, we'll visit the Bird Island Lookout, the Grotto, and the Lighthouse Restaurant, plus more. Come and join us. Enjoy! This is the Surfrider Resort Hotel, located on Consolacion Street, Kanoa 2, Saipan. So today I'm going to be exploring the island of Saipan. Let's go! On the right is the Tea Galleria duty-free shop. It's permanently closed, unfortunately, since April 2025. This is the American Memorial Park in Garapan, Saipan. The park was established in 1978. This was in memory of over 4,000 United States military personnel and local islanders who died in the Battle of Saipan in June 1944. Here in the American Memorial Park, a grateful nation honors and mourns its fallen sons in the World War II battles for Saipan and Tinian and the Battle of the Philippine Sea. Their supreme sacrifice in the bright morning of their lives, far from home, contributed to the victory won and to the peace that followed. In solemn remembrance, their names are here forever inscribed. Open. World War II in the Marianas. We're here at Garapan American Memorial Park. American Memorial Park is a national park in the Marianas. Then let's go. Day. Pre-war life. This is nice. Listen to the first-hand accounts of the fight. This is the gift shop. This is the Suicide Cliff. In July of 1944, when the Battle of Saipan was ending, thousands of Japanese civilians and Imperial Japanese Army soldiers chose to jump off this cliff, preferring suicide to capture.
Your destination is on the left.
Wow! Look at that. Bird Island Observatory. This is the Bird Island Observatory or lookout. You can see a great view of the ocean and the Bird Island, which is a bird sanctuary protected by the government. You can actually walk further down and hike to the island. We're heading to the grotto, aka Blue Grotto. The Blue Grotto in Saipan is one of the most iconic underwater caverns in the world. It is around 100 to 112 steps down. Wow, look at that. Watch your step, it's very steep. At this point, I'm almost down at the bottom. It's quite far, but I walked. And there they are, they're snorkeling, swimming at the grotto. The grotto is a limestone cave with 70 feet of crystal blue, clear water. This is the Bonsai Cliff Memorial from World War II and the last command post. Bonsai Cliff. This is the Mariana Lighthouse restaurant at Navy Hill, Garapan, Saipan. It is a beautiful restaurant at the top of the hill and you can see a nice beautiful sunset. The lighthouse was built in 1934 under Japanese rule and listed as a U.S. historical place in 1974. It became a restaurant and cafe in 2021. Welcome to Saipan Sunset Beach. This is going to the beach. There's a restaurant here. I can smell food this way. This beach and restaurant are right next door to the Surfrider Hotel. Well, we enjoyed our stay here in Saipan. Thanks for watching.